is DG Vision Network.
From Alpha now to What's Up Bestie, language in Nigeria is evolving faster than ever, and leading this revolution, the Gen Zs, armed with smartphones, emojis, memes, and hashtags.
This is DG Vision Network.
For thousands of years, language has been changing. Here in Nigeria, the gradual departure of traditional Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, and Queen's English as the official language is being characterized as a threat to cultural identity. But with the advent of social media, the pace of change and evolution is increasingly becoming vast. UNESCO reports 3,000 endangered languages globally, with Nigerian languages being the most affected. Can we say the internet and social media have worsened this condition? Hello and welcome to another episode of Digivation Insight. I'm Mojisola Alabi, and today we explore how Nigeria's Gen Z and social media are changing the way we speak and what that means for our culture, traditions, and language preservation. If this is your first time on this channel, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.
This is DG Vision Network.
It has been found that social media democratize language change, allowing diverse users of influence linguistic trends with the integration of visual elements like emojis into text-based communication, added nuance and expressiveness. For many young Nigerians, social media isn't just for fun, it's a language lab. A place where English mixes freely with Pidgin, Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. Phrases like "it's giving," "steez," "YOLO," "Riz," "no caps." These are all terms with which we all attribute to internet culture, with nouns becoming verbs, such as "our hair is not hearing," just to express how our hair wouldn't go right. This is the effect of living our lives online, as it now affects spoken word in the real world. It has even made its way into Oxford Dictionary with the word delulu. Influencers also lead in this charge by mixing these words and traditional language, and they are being understood.
Thank you for life. Moshe pele belibi pepe just ask for my account number. I only tell you now, churchola yewa, but only keken. This needs pampering and all that they magba now. Show money, my fault.
Let's take a look at what this language mix looks like.
Yoruba and English, Emma worry, we go make 'em. Igbo and Pidgin, na so life be, onye mechi. Hausa and English, no wahala, we move.
According to linguistic experts, what is happening is code switching, which entails blending languages freely to express ideas.
Wagwan, Jamaica!
And while this is creative and dynamic, it also raises questions about long-term language preservation.
So what is code switching?
As Gen Zs create a new Nigerian voice online, traditional languages face a quiet challenge. Proverbs, idioms, and oral traditions risk being replaced by emojis, abbreviations, and internet slang.
IDK, I'm RLY not sure, ATM. Was that English? I know I'm older, but to me that doesn't look like the language I grew up speaking.
Cultural historians have raised concerns that our youth will forget how to speak or write in their native tongue. For this, we lose a part of who we are, our songs, our stories, even our humor. But it's not all bad news. Some young creators are using social media to revive our languages, from Yoruba lessons on YouTube to Hausa storytelling podcast,
Salima, Ta kasance kyakkyawar budurwa ce a cikin ƙauyensu, wanda da zaran ta zo wucewa sai kowa ya tsaya yana kallanta. Ta kasance ita ce 'ya ɗaya tilo ga Mama Talatu.
And Igbo language memes.
Obuzo bom na phone yotago. You know, my usual way. So mo aburuzo say afam bonye keme for before nchete no kwa French ko na so no dan Igbo. So mo code ozugbo bia sia bonju mandi maze ma play maze.
Gen Z is proving that tradition can trend too. So while skibidi, riz, sapa, and ichok might dominate timelines today, the art of Nigeria's culture still beats in our languages. The challenge? Keeping it alive. One tweet, one TikTok, one conversation at a time. Language evolves, but culture endures if we choose to carry it forward. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel not to miss interesting insights as this. Click on the notification bell, share, like, and comment. See you next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events, and interviews across business, tech innovation, and lifestyle, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.